What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, Jeep stuff is the topic. That's right. We got some cool Jeep items here on the table. The new replacement speakers, dash speakers replacement, knee speakers replacement. It has so many names. Suitable for the Jeep Gladiator or the Jeep Wrangler JLU. Now, why should you take a look at these speakers? It's pretty easy. These Jeeps are built with OEM speakers that come in a 4-inch size. DS18 managed to do this whole enclosure and fit one of these 6.5-inch full-range speakers with a super bullet in the middle, Neo magnet, Neo motor, 1.5-inch voice coil, 96 dBs. So you're comparing that 4-inch against this 6.5-inch. Now, how do they sound? Amazing. You can either use your OEM radio if you have an aftermarket radio, or if you want to power them up with an amplifier. These bad boys can take them all. I have one connected right now. We're gonna just pick a random song and play them so you guys can check them out. Obviously, video does no justice, but that sounds crispy clean. It has a nice deep mid bass, and I forgot to tell you guys, it's plug and play. So there's no really crazy installs needed. You just need to take your dashboard apart, replace them with this, connect them, and you're set to go. It comes as a pair. You got the left, you got the right. You can see I have this one set sort of the same angle as it's gonna be on your knee in your Gladiator or in your Wrangler. And there you have it, the new JP6NEO.FR. Yeah, it's hard to remember all these parts, but JP6NEO.FR. We have it available. Make sure to check them out. One more song. Now this is powered up by one of our Candy 5-channel amps at a full range. It is not tuned or cut off on any crossover. So this is what you get when you play it at full range. This is a full range speaker. It plays mids, highs, mid bass. Sounds amazing. Make sure you guys check it out. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.